Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you a really nice 95 Chevy Suburban, big block, 454, Grand Prix Conversion. Pretty good shape. You can see the stripes up here got a little fading, maybe a little bit of clear coat came off there. A few little rock chips up here, but it's a Washington truck, so nice and clean truck. Rust not an issue. Here's some of that chrome there has aged a little bit where it says Grand Prix, and then on the molding here. Interior, boy, about as nice as you're gonna find for a 95. Right there you got a little bit of an issue. 114,831. Like I said, most of these conversions get to be looking pretty bad at this age, but boy, this one's nice. This is a clear coat that's peeled on this side only, on these two panels. But nice woodwork, quad buckets, there's your third seat. And if you want a nice 3/4 ton Suburban that nobody else will have, this one will do it. A few little, paint imperfections there. Like I said, clear coat coming off on the gray only on this side. So bumper's all good shape, got a receiver hitch. Like I said, very nice conversion still. Got the barn doors. This side looks good, just a lighter scratch here. Doesn't appear that the clear coat has any issues there. Chrome's a little better side, so it must have been where it sat in the sun a little bit or whatever. Dash is all in good shape. Got, like I said, low miles. 454 automatic AC. We just put a compressor on it. Went through the shop, checked it over. Air blows cold. Got the Lund baseball cap. So really, really nice truck. Not many of these around, especially in this condition. 605-695-7391.